warm water or cold water. It depends what you like, guys. Ayan. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll show you how to store or the best way to store my kumquat or calamansi. Ayan. Ayan, guys. This is the one we harvest the other day. Craig and I harvesting this one. Wash the kumquat first. Cut this bit here, just the top end. Ayan. Ayan, guys. I just use my hands to squish it, guys. So that's it. When you have a cup, this is good. You just have a warm water in a glass, maybe 2 or 3 of this calamansi juice, and then you put 1 glass of warm water, and then 2 or 3 of calamansi juice like this, and then you put sugar in it. It depends how much you like. Then you drink it, and for me it helps when I get a cough. It helps. It's nice. That's the juice. I don't know how much is this there. 1 cup or maybe 3 cups in there. The juice in there, guys, I think. The calamansi juice here, guys, is 3.5 cup. So 3.5 cup. So yeah. I use white sugar for this one. So guys, if I feel sick, guys, if I get sore throat, I show you how I make my drinks using calamansi juice, guys. So I got 1 glass of warm water, and then 1 spoon, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's enough. That's 6 in there. 6 spoon of calamansi juice, and I'm going to put sugar. Let's see how much sugar we put. Sugar, guys. I put 1 first. 1 spoon of sugar. Let's see. I like the drink. Is that sour, guys? Oh, that's really sour. That's really sour for me. So I need another, this one spoon. Another spoon of sugar. Another spoon of sugar, guys. Let's see. We taste again, guys. This one is good now, guys. Still got the sourness of it, and then there is the sweetness of it. So that's fine with me. So 6 of calamansi spoon with 2 spoonful of sugar, guys. So this is my drinks. I make a drinks from calamansi juice. If I get sick, like sore throat, like that, if I'm not feeling well, so I make this one, guys, for a drink. Yum. So here, guys, I have 1 cup of sugar here, guys. I put this one here bit by bit, so I know how much I like the sweetness of my calamansi juice. Half a bit first. Half in there first, because I'm not sure how much I'm gonna put the sugar first, so let's learn together. Because this is my first time doing it to many calamansi juice, guys. So at the same time we'll learn together, okay? Alright. It's yum. I put another more because it's split sour yet. It's still sour. I think that's good now. Or maybe a bit more. So 1 cup of sugar, guys, for 3 cups of calamansi juice. 3 cups of calamansi juice and 1 cup of sugar. Ayan, so as you can see here, guys, there is for making an ice. So it's gonna be a calamansi what it's called, calamansi ice cubes, maybe. What do you think, guys, is gonna be the name of this one? I think that's good now. So this one, guys, I haven't put any water yet. It's just all the juice of the calamansi or something. This is how I store my calamansi. Now, calamansi juice. Okay, we put here. Ayan. So it's only 1 spoon of each. 1 spoon. Ayan. And add the rest. So 6 cubes of this one, 6 cubes of ice cube calamansi juice, then 1 cup of warm water. Warm water or cold water, it depends what you like, guys. In the freezer, they are in the freezer. In the freezer. Ayan. Okay. This one, it's gonna be ready in few hours, guys. When this getting hard in the freezer. Moving here. Ayan guys. In here guys. Ayan. So, ayan, that's ready for drink later. So, here guys, the, yung hindi ko pa nalagay sa, sa ice cube maker. So, i-store natin to, ilagay natin to sa, sa fridge, yung, hindi ko nalagay sa cubes. Ayan guys, so, mayroon ako ditong, guys, mayroon, ito, yung orange crunch na bottle. So, dito natin ilagay yung calamansi juice ko guys na ginawa. Para alam ko na ito ay ready na to siya. Lagyan ng cold water after. So, lagay natin siya dyan guys. Ayan. Ayan siya. Nilagay ko sa orange crunch bottle guys. Ayun. So, i-keep natin to siya sa fridge. Ayan. So, kung gusto mo nang mag-inom ng juice, mamaya, feel mo mag-inom ng juice, then, for example, now, I'm just put like that. I just put like that. And then, that's how much you put it, because it's still a bit sour, that one. There's no water in it, just the calamansi juice and the sugar. So, you add water. I use this water tap, guys. So, that one, guys, you see. And that one there. So, that one, guys. That one. That's a small glass guys, a small glass. So that's ready to drink. Ayan, ito, inumin na natin. Ayan. I got a juice now, calamansi juice. This is good. Vitamin C. Yum. So that's how I keep my calamansi juice, guys. So if you have a lot of calamansi there, ayan, if you just harvesting a calamansi and you worry that it's gonna rotten, then you can keep all that juices by squeezing it, the juice, and then get rid that seeds, and then ayan, put some sugar in it. The first way to keep my calamansi juice is to put in the freezer, the one we just did in the ice cube maker. So it's now a calamansi cube. Calamansi cubes. Ayan. So this one, because this one is, the ice cube maker is not enough, so I put in the bottle here, and we put this one in the fridge. Ayun. In the fridge. So you just dip this one how much you like in the glass and put some water in there, cold or warm water, then that's good. Basically guys, it's just like a calamansi Oreo. Yeah, isn't it? It's just like an orange crush, isn't it? Agree? It's like ayan, Eduardo, guys. So I keep this one in the fridge for, ayan, matagal tong guys, kasi mayroon tong sugar, matagal na tong maratin. Hindi na to maratin. Kasi juice na siya, diba? Ayan, so ayan siya guys, para na siyang Oreo. lagyan mo lang siya ng, maglagay ka lang ng konti sa glass, and then lagyan mo ng water. Add lang ng water, and that's it. May koryo ka ng kalamansi. Ayun, di ba? May koryo ka na. May koryo ka na, guys. Kalamansi or kamkot kalamansi. O, ayan. Lagay natin sa fridge. Dito sa itaas. Ayun. Ayun siya. Andyan na siya, guys. Doon natin ilagay sa itaas. Pakita ko lang yan, ganyan. Ayun na siya. So, bye for now. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something in my video today, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, guys. Ayan, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave comments as well if you like this video, if you get something to add there. Ayan. And then please as well, guys, hit that bell icon there for you to notified for my next videos. Thank you and bye bye. Love you all, guys. Thank you for watching again. Ayun, bye bye.